Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am so excited because Stampin' Up! Has released a new While Supplies Last suite. It is the Christmastime suite. It is gorgeous, you guys. I think you're gonna love all of the embellishments, the designer paper, especially the beautiful stamp set. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to show it to you guys. And there is a fun giftable item included in the suite, which I don't think they've ever done a giftable item quite like this before, but yeah, I'm really excited. So let's jump into the video. We're gonna unbox this gorgeous suite together, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's jump in. Okay, so I've got everything here from the new Christmastime suite, and I have had this since it came out to demonstrators in October, and I have not opened any of this, you guys, as you can see. So I'm opening it for the first time now with you. So I will have the gorgeous flyer that goes along with this suite down below in the video description. You can click it, download it, look at it, print it if you so choose. I also have it over on today's blog post, but there are a couple of bundle options. You have the Buy It All bundle, where you can get everything included in the suite, and I'm going to show you everything. Or there is the Christmas Rose bundle, which just includes both of the stamp sets and then the coordinating dies. And so that one is 10% off when you get the dies with the coordinating stamp set. So yeah, so let's take a look. So again, this flyer is down below and over on today's blog post. So I'm not sure where to start. I think I'm going to start with the stamp set and the dies. Okay, so this is a two-part stamp set. So you've got two beautiful cases here. So you've got the, this is called the Christmas Rose stamp set. So the interesting thing about this stamp set, it's a two-pack, but this one is photopolymer. This one is cling. Very interesting. And what I like about this is you're going to get such a crisp image here of this rose with this cling stamp, and then it's going to be great to fill in this image using the photopolymer version of the rest of the pieces to that stamp. I think it's going to be great, and you can line up everything nicely because it's photopolymer. You can see through it, so I just think this is going to be really fun. I love the idea that they paired it that way. So you got this great cling detailed one and then filler images in photopolymer. I'm really excited about that. So this is part one of the stamp set. You've got 13 stamps in the photopolymer set. Beautiful detailed pieces to fill in that gorgeous Christmas rose. Then some other little extra embellishments. You've got 3 sentiments wishing you the gifts of the season, peace and joy. Merry Christmas. May this Christmas fill your heart with warmth and love. So there you can see this one. Love it. And I just love the smell of photopolymer. Okay, so that's part one. Then part two, this large cling image. So red rubber, and then you mount, put this onto the back of your rubber stamp so that you can see the image for that stamp. So really, really excited about that. All right, let's check out the dies. So these are the roses dies. All right, so let's see what we've got here. So there are a total of 7 dies included in here. So you've got this really pretty kind of lattice look. I like that. This little border image, this corner image. You've got, I'm so excited for this, a die that cuts out that big, gorgeous rose. Yay. Oh, love it. Then you've got a couple of label dies here that would be perfect to fit your sentiments. So that's a really fun die set. I'm so excited to use this. So that is that. Okay, let's take a look at the designer paper. So this paper is called Christmastime is Here Specialty Designer Series Paper, and it features some gold foiling here. So hopefully you can see that, and it kind of reminds me almost like it has sort of a matte finish to the gold, which I really like. So hopefully you can kind of see that gold here on those roses. So looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of each design. Love when you get more than 2 sheets. That's great. And then here's the back. Beautiful. So the colors in this paper are Mossy Meadow, Early Espresso, Poppy Parade, and Cherry Cobbler. And then the background is Whisper White. Gorgeous. Then, ooh, this is pretty. 4 sheets of this. Oh my gosh, this paper smells so good. Love that. Again, beautiful kind of matte gold foiling on there. And then, ooh, I love this. And then here's the back. That Poppy Parade is so pretty. Okay, so really pretty. Ooh, this is beautiful. Again, 4 sheets. Okay, so you've got 3 double-sided designs, 4 sheets of each. So, okay, so this is the last design, and you can see those polka dots and also the outline of those roses. You have that matte gold foiling. Hopefully the light is picking that up. So pretty. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That'll be hard to cover that up. That's really pretty. And then here's the other side. Nice. I really love this paper, you guys. Love it. Okay, so there is the paper. So 12 sheets, 4 double-sided sheets of each design. So let's look at the embellishments. So we've got this ribbon here. This is the shimmer ribbon. So this is gold as well. Okay, so I've got that off. All right, so let's look at this. Really pretty. I like how thin it is. I wonder if it tells the size. So this is 1/4 inch. I really like that. Okay, so there's a little bit. You can see kind of that gold embedded in there. So let me show you. Okay, so hopefully you can kind of see that pretty gold ribbon, and it's just a really gentle shimmer on the edges of the ribbon. Very pretty though. I like it. Then we have these gold glitter enamel dots, which I've been so excited about. I love enamel dots. They're perfect for every project. They just don't bulk up your projects, you know, but they add the perfect little accent. So I love these. So let's look at these up close. So they've got a beautiful gold layer on top, but then, or is that, yeah, and then the glitter beneath. So let's take a look at that up close. Okay, hopefully you can see that glitter underneath the gold. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, I love these. These are really, really pretty. When that glitter hits the light, oh, love it. And then lastly, something that we haven't done before, we've got this giftable item that coordinates with the suite. So this is the Charming Rose Bracelet. So it comes in this box, which, I mean, if you wanted to, you could wrap this box in the designer paper and then put a tag and, you know, tie it up with the ribbon, and then of course decorate it using the stamp set. Or inside, it's also in this lovely box, which again, you could wrap this with the ribbon, stamp, add some, add one of the sentiments, and you could jazz this up even more, but so pretty. So you open this up, and then inside is this beautiful bracelet, and it's got, let me see if I can take it out here. There we go. It's got 2 charms. It's got that rose image from the stamp set, and then it's also got this Stampin' Up logo charm as well. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Now I do know it's not gold, but it is metal. That much I know, but so pretty. I love it. Can't wait to, this is for me. I'm not giving this as a gift to anybody. It's gonna be for me. So pretty. I love it. Okay, so there it is, you guys. That is the beautiful new Christmastime suite. So again, remember, this suite is while supplies last, however long that may be. There's no month limit to it. It's just while supplies last. So definitely check this out. I've got links to every single thing that you see here down below in the video description, and also over on today's blog post, which is linked down below as well. And this is going to be my first free card kit for the month of November. So I'll be announcing that kit and sharing the video with you in the next couple of days. And the kit is actually going to run until the 20th of November instead of the 15th like normal. So stay tuned for that. You'll be able to get the card kit with a minimum $40 purchase in my online store. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you're excited about this beautiful suite. I love it, and I'm excited to play with it and get that kit created for you guys. So thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for the next tutorial that I've got coming up for you. And please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for choosing to shop with me. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye now.